What's the meaning of Bible? Bible. Bible.
Bible. Bible. The Bible is a collection of religious texts, believed by Christians to be the Word of God. It is divided into two main sections, the Old Testament and the New Testament. The Old Testament contains 39 books, which document the history, laws, and prophecies of the Jewish people. The New Testament contains 27 books, which focus on the life, teachings, death, and resurrection of Jesus Christ, as well as the establishment and growth of the Christian Church. The Bible has been translated into many languages and has had a significant impact on Western culture, including art, literature, and social norms. It continues to be an important source of guidance and inspiration for many believers today.